Today we discovered this shop called the Indie Arcade. It's a vintage shop full of all sorts of crap and random collectibles. There was a whole bunch of old toys and action figures. Personally, I'm not really into it, so I wasn't too bothered, but it was nice to see it all there. But then we discovered this. Chewing gum from 1992, still sealed with full packaging. And of course we had to buy it and try it out.
Today, we're trying this Batman chewing gum from 92. Let's open it up.
Ew! Ew! It's not in the pack!
What's
It's
this?
literally loose!
Sealed, come on.
That is not sealed!
It was sealed. It was sealed.
It's what am I sticking?
Fucking smell it!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm
This is
eating
what
it.
it smells like. It smells like an old person, like an old car.
I'm eating it. I don't give a fuck.
Hold on, I think we need to fucking show a close up. This fucking
Yum!
It's disgusting.
Wait,
Exactly.
I don't think it's safe. What are these crystals
I
inside?
don't know, man. Crystals.
no, that is nuts.
There's no chewing gum in that.
But it's powder. It's like powder. It's like rocks.
It's the fucking biscuit that is on.
You, man.
Stop, okay, no,
Man,
I
this
need
is
to I
disgusting.
need to
All this
wash
fish
my
stuff.
face and I'm gonna clean it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
trying.
I want to wash my mouth.
Okay.
Right, so the best way to describe this, as soon as we put it in our mouths, it's kind of like crumbled.
Like chalk.
Yeah,
It was
it's
literally like chalk.
like a
Well, I googled straight after we ate it, it's safe.
good time. Good
After,
time.
apparently it is, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Unless if we die, we're gonna be the first 3 people to die from chewing gum.
Like that would be such an embarrassing way to go.
Yeah, I actually thought it's gonna be a bit more chewy, like at least some chewiness would be still left from all those years, but there was nothing. It was just powder that kind of instantly like collapsed in your mouth, and it was like stuck in our teeth. It was so disgusting, like there was no flavor left at all. It was just like chemicals. It tasted like, I don't know, washing powder
It
almost.
tasted like if old people were chewing gum.
More like a biscuit, an old person was a biscuit.
Yeah.
It's supposed to have flavor, I think. Let's see.
I think it was just bubblegum, right? Like, no, the people do flavors back in the day.
It says natural artificial flavors.
Natural.
Wow.